Have you ever gone through a transformation? It may have been some big aha moment that helped redefine who you are. And maybe you discovered your purpose in life and you were intent on setting off on a new adventure and in a new direction, and you're going to make big changes. But that takes a whole lot of work to transform yourself, right? Let me tell you how you can make it a little bit easier. I'm Scott Sery, and I founded Know to Grow on the idea that we shouldn't have to be stuck at a job in order to live life. Instead, tap into your skills and have them make money for you. Anytime that you make a major life decision, there's a change that has to happen, a reinvention of yourself, if you will. And sometimes reinventing oneself means investing in new clothing to show that you're a more professional person. And sometimes it's investing in some new equipment so you can tackle a new job. And sometimes it's uprooting yourself and moving to a completely new part of the country. And no matter what, no matter how you reinvent yourself, it's always going to take learning some new habits so that you can more effectively play the new role that you're taking on. And ultimately, you're going to be taking over the world, so you need to learn some new skills. My question, though, is how much easier do you suppose it is to reinvent yourself when finances aren't a worry? Rich people can reinvent themselves whenever they want. And if they don't like that reinvention, they can just scrap it and do it all over again. But if that reinvention means investing in equipment, investing in educational opportunities, or really just anything that costs money, how hard is that going to be for someone that's just barely getting by? Maybe it's someone that's only earning enough to keep the lights on in their house for just another month. Maybe it's only making enough money to buy food for the next few days. There are ways to get the reinvention process started without a huge monetary investment, but you're going to have to invest something else, and it's going to take a whole lot more work, a whole lot more time to get there than if the fundage wasn't at your disposal. Having funds available, though, that's not just going to magically happen. You're going to have to put in time and effort to bring in that money so that you can do that transformation that you want to do. The good news, though, is that you already know how to make the money. You just need to be able to pick apart the pieces that make money and apply them to your life. And that's what I will show you how to do with Know to Grow. All you have to do is head over to www.knowtogrow.com and sign up. From there, we will work together to identify which skills you already have and how you can make money with them. Want to know something that will reinvent you that costs absolutely nothing? Give me a like, hit the subscribe button so you get notifications when my channel posts a new video, and leave me a comment. You'll feel better about yourself. I guarantee it.